Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn ad campaign creatives using Canva. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Campaign Manager section. Select the specific ad campaign you wish to back up. Take note of the creatives used in this campaign. Open a new tab and log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one quickly and for free. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Choose the appropriate dimensions for your LinkedIn ad creatives. If you need to recreate an existing design, have the original creative open for reference. Begin by selecting the layout that matches your LinkedIn ad format. Customize the background color or image according to your original design. Add text elements by clicking on the text option from the left sidebar. Ensure the fonts match those used in your LinkedIn creatives. Incorporate any logos or branding elements needed for consistency. Utilize Canva's elements to replicate graphics or shapes from the original design. Adjust the positioning of each element as necessary. Periodically compare your design in Canva with the original creative from LinkedIn. Make sure you align each component carefully to maintain visual consistency. Once satisfied with the design, save your work. Click on the Download button in the upper right corner. Select the appropriate file type for your LinkedIn ads, typically PNG or JPEG. Name your file clearly for easy identification later. Click on Download to save the creative to your computer. Repeat this process for each creative within your LinkedIn ad campaign. Once all creatives are backed up, ensure they are stored securely. Consider creating a dedicated folder for all your LinkedIn ad creatives. This organization will make future access and updates much easier. You have now successfully backed up your LinkedIn ad campaign creatives using Canva. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.